to my channel. Before I get right into this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on post notifications, make sure you go back in the comments, make sure you put hashtag Unicorn Squad, but make sure you, before you even do that, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn post notifications on. Today I don't have the webcam on. I am so sorry because it's obviously not working, so we're just gonna put it on full screen. So right now we are playing Little Angels Academy, excuse me. And we are playing this because we are playing this because I really feel like playing it, because I've really played this game and I really need to become a teacher. Okay. So that's what we're about to do right now. We're about to become a teacher, because a lot of people don't know, and a lot of people love Little Angels Academy, but do not know how to become a, like, if you want to be a secretary, a teacher, whatever you want, teacher's aide, like, I'm about to show you guys. So what you want to do is you either want to touch this little icon right here, the little icon, or you could just scroll down and then touch here. So that's what I'm about gonna touch. Like, you don't have to touch it. It'll send you to the same link. But, and it should take you to Little Angels. It should look like this. If it doesn't, then, excuse me, something's not working. I'm so sorry. I'm so sick. Okay. And you're gonna press play. If there's too many people in the game, you just wait till there's no people, because they won't put you in until there's no people. And it really gets me, like, so mad. I don't know why. I get angry really, like, a whole lot. But there's 11 people playing this, and I'm still. Let's check my application. Let's create new application. So we're about to create a new application. Checking for previous applications. I did like 2 applications, maybe about 3, because I was trying to become a teacher again. So yeah. So it says, what are you applying to rank for? What do you rank for applying for? Wait, what does it say? What rank are you applying for? I want to be a teacher. Okay, so it says, what do you, I'm gonna say like a 9. Why do you like the show? Because I can teach kids new things. And BTW, I love kids. So it says, how often can you be? About an 8. An 8. No, actually, I'm very active, so like a 10. Have you had any real life experience with your children? If so, where at? Yes, at my house. I've been with my little cousin, because my mom had, because my aunt, she's had a little newborn baby, because my aunt had to go, check the mailbox. So she said, you know, because I'm really good with kids. I love kids. So she kept me with them. He went right to sleep. He was just so adorable. It says, name 2 of the most important requirements at Little Angels. Okay. Kind and careness. What did you, I found this, but, we're just gonna put a famous YouTuber, which was say, let's play. Subscribe. I was gonna put that. Subscribe to my channel. Describe yourself in 1 unique word. I am very, very kind. I am very kind. Do you have any additional? No. I'm sorry, I'm so sick. My nose is really stuffy. I'm really sorry, guys. I really am sorry. So it says, application is being sent. Hold on tight. Slipped on the stairs. Sent? It was sent. But I think we have to wait till it gets recorded here. It was sent. Okay. So that's how you do it. Like, if you ever, wanna, just, become a teacher or something, Okay, now let's play the game. I'm trying so hard to get rid of this stuffy nose stuff, but I'm gonna try so hard. Like, I might sound so stupid, but I'm so sorry. I'm so sick. And I was gonna take a break from this YouTubing, but I was like, no, my unicorns need me, and I need my unicorns. So, I'm just gonna keep videoing. I'm so happy you guys can see my face. I look a total retard. No, I'm joking. I just don't feel good, so maybe that's why my webcam wasn't working. But if it was, trust me, I would have did my webcam. My phone is actually like tripping. I don't know why. Connections. Okay, I'm like connected to the wrong internet. Gotta connect to the woman's house. So let's do Miss Unicorn. Miss Unicorn. It's like Uni, love Uni. Oh, I'm still a nurse. Still a nurse. It's crazy because I actually just like get off the game and then come back on and let's see if it like works. Because I was supposed to be a teacher. I want to try and I want to play Fortnite. Like I really don't like. I think I'm really gonna hate the game because I'm more into like shooting. Not like I know Fortnite has shooting, but like Call of Duty shooting. You know what I mean? But it says mission Maddie. Let's see. If we're still a nurse, I don't care. It's like, I guess there's just something wrong with that game. I don't know. But we're gonna put Miss Unicorn. Yes. I'm really actually a teacher. I don't think they actually did my application, but it's okay if I'm still a nurse. So I'm pretty sure we're still a nurse. But why is it taking so long to load? Oh, where's my buddy's still inside. Yeah. Okay, so we're a nurse. I might call Little Angels about this because this makes no sense. But let's play and let's see how many kids come to the nurse. Like a lot of kids come to the nurse because I guess it's just want to go home. I never told any kid to pack their bags and go home. Like never. But I think we're gonna do that today. I don't know. Why did you look at me? Like no one's connection is moving but mine. It's gonna unfreeze soon. Christ. I do not know. Reset. Help. I do not know. I need crutches. Okay, oh, girl, I'm jumping. Okay, let me check you. So I'm like, Miss, I need a band-aid. Okay. You! Gonna see you. Throw a minute. I don't think the guitar. If it broke, gonna work. Make that big twerk. Make that big twerk. Please don't kill me. You need to go home. Let's just tell her that. You need to go home. She's probably gonna be like, girl, I need to go home. You just messing with me, ain't you? Hello? Do you like it? Okay. Please give me crushes. Oh yeah, I'm gonna give you your bandage. Where are you? This broke. Yes, I know. No. I know who it is. Oh, guys. Where's Miss Rainbow? Okay, why are you asking me that? Like, why? I don't know. Miss Unicorn. Unicorn, she needs me. Yes. So cute. Okay. Yes? She's like, Miss Unicorn. I'm sorry, guys, if I sound like that. I broke my leg. Okay, lay down. Lay down. I don't know what to say, hon. I need to check you. Give me crutches. Girl, you can't just get crutches like that. You can't just get crutches like that. Oh! Juliana is on the floor! Hello! Juliana is on the floor! I'm sorry, guys, my voice is just hideous. Okay. Let's see what we're working with. Oh, make it down. Okay, we're gonna be like, it's nothing wrong. Just let me get more crutches. It's nothing wrong. Just let me get more crutches. Okay, guys, I just said that because I checked. There's really nothing wrong. So I'm just gonna tell her to stay here. So I'll be back. No, stay here. Do not move. Stay right there. Okay. So there's nothing really wrong with her leg. I think she just needs to really lay down and stop walking on her leg. I don't know, but it's nothing really wrong with her. Like, she just really just needs to lay down. That's it. Ugh, this little kid just stormed in here. Okay. Yes. I think his name is Jack. I don't know. No, Steve. Let me get him some crutches, because I know he's an asshole. Oh, his arm. Okay, I'll get you like a bandage. I don't know what else to do. Your little sister back there. It's not even his sister. Okay, so I got more crutches. Stand up. That's what I'm telling her to do. Stand up. So I told her to stand up. Tell me how your leg feels. Oh, when she left, I think she meant like she's like left in real life. I don't know. Let's see. Tell me how your leg feels. Stand! Girl. Tori's not standing. No.